while we're stopping here, was anybody coming in front of you?
No.
So we have got a major roundabouts coming up, and I would like you to follow the roads ahead.
Yeah.
I believe you're doing it by yourself. So are we turning left here?
No, we're going straight over.
Yeah, while we're stopping here, was anybody coming in front of you?
No.
We don't need to stop.
Continue to straight over like we did the other day.
And now what you're going to do after the first island?
Now you
mirrors and signal and pick up a speed. What is happening with this hand?
Sorry.
Check your mirrors and build up a speed. We lock our arms, or we do push and pull technique? So can you see how you lock your arm?
Yeah, I see.
So what if by that time, if the airbag exploded, what will happen to your hand?
Yeah, it's going to push me straight back.
Yeah, so but if you go hand like this, it's going to hit on your chest. But you're going to break your arms if it's crossing your door, yeah?
Yeah.
When we went to the big roundabout, the first one.
Yeah.
Now, you did stop your car completely over there, and you signal early.
Yeah.
But did you assess that how many exits that roundabout have?
2. For me, because
So which exit?
it has 3 in total, because you have the ones on the left.
It has 4. They have got they got the left road. They have made this thing, but they have there's not road over there. Let's count it as a 1 exit. Second is ahead, third, and coming back go around as your 4th.
I've never been third, so I only know
again, third is not fully road. It's just they have. I think they have got planning to build some houses, so that they're going to use it over there. So let's say you were going second exit ahead.
Yeah.
So you signal early.
Yeah.
So that means that if there would be any traffic coming from the other side, you're misleading them.
Yeah.
Which is fine. I explained to you, you cancel it, and you're going to do it again.
Yeah.
Why did we stop our car that time? That is a $1 million question, because that roundabout was at an open or a closed view roundabout.
Open view, I could
So
see.
were there anyone signaling, or anyone you thought is coming into front of your danger
I
zone?
could see where the lorry was going.
And they were going straight. So there was unnecessary. Now because you stopped over there, and because it was an open view, and the cars behind us, would they stop because of us?
They would.
So no, anybody who's behind us,
yeah, they'll stop because we stopped.
they stop because we stop. So did we force them to stop, isn't it? That's not good. Now, if you do this couple of times, examiner may give you the hesitation for first couple of times, but if this is repeatable, then it may become a serious fault.